a leaker. Looks like new plugs, wires, and distributor.
What are these going to?
It's got MSD on there. I think that's a ground.
Mm.
You say it's got a filter leak?
It's got an intake manifold leak and oil pan. Is this? No, that's power steering. Yeah. Everything on power steering.
Yeah, there's something in it. MSD Blaster 2. Let's see what that looks like. Still looks like it's a good motherfucker.
Smell, bro.
Does it?
No.
I mean, we can figure something out. Oh, yeah, I see it. We got under dash AC, aftermarket AC system. That's why that bracket looks so strange. What is up in the front? The feet. Washer fluid and lights. Left and right of the ignition. It's strange that the ignition is on the it's on the left side.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's right here. And look, these little feet. It's a wiper washer, and then lights here. What do you think?
I like it. It's pretty clean for the price.
That's not bad. Honestly, I mean, the paint sucks ass, but the seat's nice.
I like it.
I wonder what's going on with that filter right there.
Could use some WD-40 on the windows.
Well, I could probably take the panels off the doors and mess with those Macs a little bit. See how this? I don't know if you can see.
No.
Over here, it's pointed over here. See? It's all leaking from the front. Everything back here is dry. It's all coming out right here.
So what would that mean? I can't see under there, so.
Just a minute. You do the whole van. Be nice if we could at least see it. Yeah, it would be. It's got hooker headers. Just let's do like this. So we're here to look at the project truck, and for some reason he's not coming outside. We've rang the doorbell, knocked on the door, called him twice, nothing. But little info on the truck, it's a 72 F100 Ranger long bed. It's got a 390 in it, and it looks like he's tried to put some aftermarket AC. There's a compressor, it's all not even hooked up. The AC is under the dash here. Aftermarket AC. It's automatic. I just pulled all the trim off. Trims in the bed. Oh yeah, could definitely straighten out the paint. Some nice American racing wheels, some goofy tires. It's got a nice seat in it. Perfect. What do you think about it now?
I like it.
What do you think about it?
It'd be fine. Fun little project.
Yeah, I think so too.
What do you think?
Man, he got on it down here a minute ago, and it's actually really nice. I mean, look how light the steering is.
Damn.
I mean, one finger power steering works great. I mean, none of the gauges work, but like, he's got a whole other cluster to go with it.
There's Blake's house.
Blake. It's smooth. I mean, there's honestly, this power steering is better than a shit truck, bro.
It
Look at
is.
this. It actually
is.
moves when you move the wheel.
Yeah, my shit truck's terrible.
It's lively.
Hell yeah. I like it, dude. It runs good. Sounds good.
Yeah, I mean, he tried to gas it and he put it down in first, you know.
Yeah.
He tried to flip it one time.
It kind of stall a little bit.
Yeah, it stalled a little bit, but I mean, shit.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. Hell yeah.
I mean, it's crisp. It's obviously, I mean, you can hear like that little tick. You can
Yeah.
hear the intake leak, and it's got another tick underneath from the exhaust leak.
That's
I
all
mean,
fixable though.
I mean, it doesn't hesitate.
Hell yeah.
I really think we should get it.
I do too. Just needs a little work. That's exactly what we're looking for. Hey, brakes work, that's for sure. Let's see if I can do us a little pull. Yeah, let's do a pull. Not around this curve though, maybe. I don't know, it's up to you. Oh, putting her down in
First gear, bro.
first gear. Alright. Hell yeah. That was pretty lively.
Hey, bud, it works. She spins the tires. Must be good enough for me.
Right? I like it.
Yeah, this will definitely be a fun project. Yeah, 100%.
It's easy to work on.
Yeah, I mean, hell, you can sit on the fender and work in the engine bay.
Yeah.
Like, you can sit in the inner fender and take the headers off or change wires or, you know, plugs, doesn't matter. There's so much room to work on everything.
It
It's
honestly
so
rides
simple.
good, too.
I mean, it cruises.
We just don't know how fast we're going.
Well, you just follow traffic and be fine.
Right.
All right, guys, we'll get back to you. Hopefully back in this if we can make a deal.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys, well, I told you you'd see us again if we bought the truck. And here we are. We got a new project. It's a 72 Ford F100 with a 390
With a racing transmission.
with a racing C6 transmission. So, you know, what do you think, bud? You enjoying it?
I love it.
This is Noah's first drive. You saw me driving it earlier. And it's fun, man. It's a great truck. It's going to be a fun project. We're actually following this guy right now. We're going to stop and put some fuel in it. But we're going to follow him to go get some saddle tanks and a toolbox that belong with the truck, too, that he's going to give us for free. So, while Noah finishes pissing,
I'm still going.
Left or right?
you're right, my left.
My left or your right?
You're right, my left.
So is it right or?
Okay, alright. Also, all that's going to be edited out.
Nah, not all. It'd be funny.
Well, we got bad news. We forgot to film an outro.
Sure did.
So here we are. There's the truck. We got it back to the house. On the way back in, we did
Very lively burnout.
a American burnout.
Very American.
She's only peeling one wheel, but that's okay.
Spoiler.
That's fixable.
The plans for the truck. First thing, what we gotta do is we have to rip out the motor and fix the rear main seal and a few other miscellaneous things. We have to fix the exhaust leak and the intake leak.
There's a leak in the intake manifold.
Yeah. things that we want to do is we tried some, what is that?
Buffing compound.
Buffing compound.
I don't know if they can see it or not, but
Probably
we did a spire here with buffing compound and then a quick wax, and it took off all the oxidation.
Actually looks pretty good. So a lot of the paint, other than the rust, can probably look pretty decent. So instead of doing a whole new paint job, we might just try and do a buffing compound and
Wax
see what we
it,
can do.
buff it, and seal it, and hopefully we can get something better out of it. There's not much that we can do about the spot here that somebody bondoed up.
I mean, you can even see some fucking green in there. I don't know what the fuck happened there. I might have to edit the fuck part out. But there's gonna be a lot of editing in this.
Take the barbed wire license plate frame off.
Yeah, let's just
Do that. But no, we have to go get a cherry picker and an engine. No, still pulling the barbed wire frame off. We gotta go get a cherry picker and an engine stand, so when we do pull a motor, so we can do the rear main seal on it, and have it out and turn it upside down, redo the pan and pan gasket and all that kind of stuff. Just get it running, looking nice. Probably either fix the AC or take it out completely.
It's Texas. We're fixing it.
Probably lower the rear a little bit, wider wheels and tires. Probably take the Edelbrock piece of junk carb off.
Very true.
And go to probably a Holley 650. And, just make it a more drivable truck.
It's a fun truck, don't get us wrong. It needs some loving, it needs some TLC, but that's the whole point of fun, is doing all the work to get it going right?
Yeah, it's a project. So you gotta work on a project.
Hell yeah, it'll be fun. We'll see where it takes us, but for now, that's what we got.
Until next time, peace.
Subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget.